Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the APY on SoFi savings accounts. The annual percentage yield, or APY, is the real rate of return on a savings account, including the effect of compounding interest. This is a key metric to consider when choosing a savings account, as a higher APY means your money will grow faster. So, what is the APY for a SoFi savings account? SoFi offers a competitive APY, especially for those who have direct deposit. With an eligible direct deposit, SoFi members can earn a high APY on their savings balances, including their vaults. Without direct deposit or other qualifying deposits, the APY is significantly lower. It's also worth noting that SoFi sometimes offers limited-time promotional APY boosts, which can further increase your earnings for a set period. These are often tied to specific requirements, like opening a new account or enrolling in a certain program. It's important to always check the most current rates and any specific terms and conditions on SoFi's website, as these rates are variable and subject to change at any time. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.